Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we start today, let's introspect a bit. So far, we have learned two very important aspects of programming: variables and commands. Variables allow us to store values. Then, the commands are used to modify the values of the variables. We can also use them to read the values. So far, we have seen some simple commands as well. For example, print, strftime, etc. Now, we will learn a few more commands that are essential in almost every coding assignment. To start with, today we will learn how to instruct computers to make decisions. A very important fact is that we humans can understand complex sentences with variations. For example, we can say, "If it rains, I will not go out." But we can also say the same thing by changing the order, something like, "I will not go out in case it rains." This is intelligence that allows us to interpret that both sentences are the same. Although computers can be fast and accurate, they cannot understand such variations. They need a fixed format for each command and they will just follow them. Even the programs that render artificial intelligence follow the same fact, that computers must have a fixed format of commands. Now, I'm sure you understand why we need a fixed format for coding commands for decisions. To start with, we will use the grocery examples that we solved earlier. Remember? While learning about the string comparison operator, we came across a situation that if a grocery order is placed for the store Star Grocery, then the buyer receives a 50% discount. Whereas if the order is from the store Fresh Essentials, then the discount would be near 15%. This is a case of decision, and we need a command so that for such situations we can use it to tell the computer what to do and what not to do. Obviously, this is not the only case for a decision. Let's say you are building a website for a school to display the exam reports. We might be in a situation where if a student's score is below 40%, then we need to display fail. Otherwise, we display pass. If two humans communicate about these situations, then we do so simply by speaking in our own languages. But when we need to communicate the same to a computer, we cannot use our natural languages. We need to use computer languages such as Python. And we also need to come up with a fixed format that we can teach computers to follow for all future usage. Today, our task is to learn the format for decisions. Before we learn the actual format, can you act like a creator of Python and come up with a common format for decisions? A format that can be used for all such decisional situations where we either take a specific action such as 50% discount or we take another action such as 15% discount. It's a good time for you to pause the video and take some time to ponder over this. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, Now let's see how to solve this. Our first idea would be to express the situation in a generic fashion. And to do that, we write, if something is true, take some actions. Otherwise, take some other actions. This might look a bit confusing, but hold on, we will get there right now. This is a totally new way of thinking, so just be patient for a few more moments. First, let's see how this format matches our examples. Here, something can be the question. Is the store name Star Grocery? If the answer is true, then the action will be 50% discount. But if the answer is no, false, then we take other action such as 15% discount. Now that we have seen how this example fits into this format, let's see how the second example of school's exam reports fits here. Like before, something should be a different question here. In this case, it is the score below 40%? If the answer is true, then the action will be to display fail. But if it is not the case, then the action will be to display pass. I'm sure now the format must be clear to you. Let's see it in the working code now. The way we write it in Python is something like, if store name equals Star Grocery, print you get 50% discount. Else print you get 15% discount. Notice that otherwise is called else here. Not just Python, many other languages such as C, Java, etc. use the same term else instead of otherwise. Let us run this code for Star Grocery. See, it prints 50% discount. This is because the store name indeed turns out to be Star Grocery. Now let me change the store name to Fresh Essentials. Then we know the answer to the question, is the store name Star Grocery? Will be no. So the computer will execute other actions under otherwise. And this action will print 15% discount. Let's try now. See, it now prints 15% discount. Now let's add a bit more twist. Suppose there is another store, say Top Grocery, which does not provide any discount. Can this piece of code print no discount? Well, before we try that out, can you figure it out on your own? What would be the output of this code if the store name is Top Grocery? I'm sure you got it right by now. The code will print a 15% discount. Let's try this now. See, the code is printing 15%, but it is not what we want. Remember, Top Grocery does not provide any discount. To fix this, we will apply a variant of the if-else command we have just learned. But before we pick that up, let us soak in the current format for now. We will resume the rest in the next episode. That's all for today. I hope you are enjoying our episodes. I'll see you soon. Ciao!